Vanakkam. Today I am going to explain to you how to clean the laser unit of HP M1136mfp. See, I have taken out this laser unit from the printer. I am going to show you how to clean this laser unit. Then in next video I will explain how to fix back and see the output. Right? For this your required items are one laser unit and one clean cloth. Clean cloth. Like this cloth we should have. Right? One minus screwdriver. Simply there will be a two notches. Simply lift up the notches. Right? Likewise in front side also you will have two notches. That's all. Right? So first, using one brush, remove this dust. Remove this dust. Have one wet cloth. Clean this. Always use wet cloth. Right? Then first manually clean. If possible, use this air blower, or otherwise use your mouth to remove the dust. You rotate this. If it gets rotated smoothly, the device is good. If it gets stuck, the device is not good. Right? So this is the way to check the device. This is giving the beam. That beam will go this area and will come this area. It will turn in terms of letter. Right? After that, take this clean cloth. Yes, clean this. See? Yeah. Clean slowly. properly. Yes, finished. Right? See this cloth, how it has this much of dust. This will affect the printout. You won't get the clear letter. You will get a faded letter. So if you want to have a full dark letter, the laser unit has to get clean. Right? Right. Finished. Right? Then take this cover. Close the cover. Right? If possible, clean this. If it is very neat, in future, dust won't go inside. That's all. So, the laser unit got cleaned. Then, I am going to fix it to my printer. Then I will show in the next video. In this video, I shown how to clean the laser unit. Right? I am going to place it into my printer. I am going to show the output in the next video. Thanking you. We will see in the next video, next session.